Lift. Lift. So I'll probably never fucked up right here. God damn. Usually nothing too bad happens during this step. Not too bad. Oily glove. Get some of this stuff. Let's make sure we're not spilling everywhere. Oh my god. I forgot to undo the drain plug. Brother, that was not flawless. Give yourself a little chunk and throw it at the oil. It never happened. I hate pulling it out. I hate putting it back in. So after you pull the oil filter out, you get another drip. Both drips. I got both drips. Bon appetit. Okay, that got on the floor.